Good morning, children. Now, today we will start with the new lesson, The Sneeze of your literary reader. Now, this story I have divided into 3 scenes, scene 1, scene 2 and scene 3. The story, let's come to the story, what the story is about. The story begins with Ivan reclining in a stall at the opera, relaxing to the beautiful music. He sneezes but manages to catch most of it with his handkerchief. Now when he glances around the box to see if his sneeze offended anyone, he is horrified to see an older man wiping his neck with his glove. Now he recognizes the man as General Resolve of the Department of Highways. Now while Resolve neither works nor knows Ivan, Ivan panics and whispers an embarrassed apology, and Resolve replies, "Never mind," an expression just open-ended enough to cause Ivan even more anxiety. Now what happens now? Here Ivan says, "I sneezed on him," thought Chervyakov. "He is not my chief, but still it is awkward. I must apologize." And he apologizes, but the way the general responded, "Never mind," he raised his anxiety and he was tensed that the general is angry with him. Now this is what the scene 1 is. Now let's come to scene 2. Now in scene 2, what happens? On reaching home, Ivan tells the story to his wife. Now she is initially worried and that they may be in trouble, but is relieved when she finds out that he is from a different part of the government. So namely, she speculates that it would be it would do some good for Ivan to go and apologize again in person. At work the next day, Ivan wears a new uniform and travels to the general's office to apologize again. Now when he gets there, he is embedded by a group of petitioners who are being interviewed by the general. So he waits for a while and then he edges in after one petitioner concludes and apologizes for his lack of manners previous day. Now the general completely ignores him and continues to focus on the petitioners and what interview he was taking. And Ivan reads his reaction as it is and concludes directly that general is still angry with the angry about the sneeze which he did. I sneeze. Now here you can see he is asking for excuse again. So general was very much frustrated and he explains that it seems Ivan is mocking him with his incense apologies. At this, Ivan is offended and decides to stop trying to get through with his apology. Now this is what happens in scene 2. As personally Chervyakov goes to the general to apologize for his mistake the previous day. He sneezed in the theater. Now let's come to scene 3. What is scene 3 and the final one? Now, after meeting General, Chervyakov returns home, and once back home, Ivan tries to compose a letter to General, but suffers from writer's block, means he is unable to write what he should write. Now, he resolves a final time to go back to the General's office to apologize. Now, this time there are no petitioners and he approaches him directly. So General is clearly upset. Now he is irritated. General is irritated and upset at Ivan's imprudence and orders him to leave. Now despairing, Ivan goes home but falls deeply ill while walking back and barely makes it home. He is hardly able to walk to home, and when he finally enters his home, he lies on the couch and dies. Now trivial unnecessary death of the government clerk. What points out? Now he finally dies. Now this points out? This points humorously to the strange ironies and experiences of strange difference to the social order and its accompanying set of norms of interaction, which often leads to such means frustration that Chervyakov decided to end up his life. Now what happens children, what the author wants to show us is that how difficult it was for Chervyakov, that a simple act like sneezing developed into a huge incident for a government clerk, and he frets over the act and how it might affect his job. He was afraid of losing his job. Now, and because of this, he ended up his life. Now, so children, what the author wants to teach us, that suppose you are sitting in a quiet auditorium, a cell phone starts to ring, or someone begins to cough. So allergies act up and you begin to sneeze uncontrollably. You know, these sorts of incidents happen all the time, and at worst, they are minor annoyances. No, we don't give them a second thought. But what if your action affected someone higher up in your work organization? So what will be your act? How you will your reaction? How you will react? So it is just a day-to-day life incident, and we should not take this so seriously and start apologizing for such a minor mistake, or not mistake. This is something very natural. So we should not take the things so seriously, which we can avoid. So this is all I wanted to say. Thank you, children. Have a good day.